Number 61. Rank the following fractions from least to greatest. So we want to rank it from low to high. We can convert each fraction to a decimal and then rank it that way, or we could get common denominators. So let's find a common multiple of 5, 8, 4, 10, and 20. Let's start with the largest one, 20, 40, 60, and so forth. Next we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so forth. Next we have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Now notice that 5 goes into 10, or in other words, 10 is a multiple of 5. So we don't really need to write out the multiples of 5. 8 is a multiple of 4, so we don't really need to write the multiples of 4. Notice that 40 is a common multiple of 10, 20, and 8. It's also a multiple of 4 and 5 because 10 is a multiple of 5 and 8 is a multiple of 4. So 40 is the common denominator that we want to get. (40) divided by 5 is 8, so I'm going to multiply this fraction by 8 over 8. 3 times 8 is 24, 5 times 8 is 40. Now 40 divided by 8 is 5, so I'm going to multiply this fraction by 5 over 5. 5 times 5 is 25, 8 times 5 is 40. 40 divided by 4 is 10, so I'm going to multiply this fraction by 10 over 10. 1 times 10 is 10, 4 times 10 is 40. 40 divided by 10 is 4, so I'm going to multiply this fraction by 4 over 4. 3 times 4 is 12, 10 times 4 is 40. 40 divided by 20 is 2, so I'm going to multiply that fraction by 2 over 2. 11 times 2 is 22, and 20 times 2 is 40. So now that we have common denominators, we could just compare the numerators of the fractions. So we want to rank it from least to greatest. So 10 is the lowest number. Next is 12, and then 22, 24, 25. So 10 over 40, that was 1 over 4. That has the lowest value. That's going to be less than this one, which comes from 3 over 10. Next is 22 over 40, which comes from this one. And then it's 24 over 40, which comes from that fraction. And that's less than the last one. So 5 over 8 is the fraction that has the greatest value. It's 25 over 40. So this is the answer. That's how we could rank the fractions from least to greatest. 1 over 4 has the lowest value. 5 over 8 has the highest value. Now, you could check your answer using a calculator. If you type in 1 divided by 4 in your calculator and convert it to a decimal, you'll get 0.25. 3 divided by 10 as a decimal, that's 0.3 or 0.30. 11 over 20 as a decimal is 0.55. 3 divided by 5 is 0.6 or 0.60. And 5 over 8, or 5 divided by 8, that's 0.625. So as you can see, we have the right answer.